On April 25, 2021, Troop B was notified by Troop C Communications about a stolen Isuzu NPR landscape truck that had been tracked into the metro area. Deputies located the vehicle traveling southbound on I-75/85 near Fulton Street. A traffic stop was attempted, but the driver immediately fled, initiating a high-speed pursuit through the interstate.
We're 10 minutes out. There's going to come off pad. Should be any second now. We'll be with you. For Atlanta still southbound past the Lanker Parkway now. Clear southbound past the Lanker. If we can get somebody head up, get him stop stick, it's going to be hard to hit him. Black hat back, black shirt sleeve. Still 75. Still 75. Pull out the side, let me get a good look on him. Black male, he's got a white hat on backwards, he's got a black mask.
The suspect drove in a reckless manner, switching lanes and nearly striking several vehicles while attempting to escape. Troopers continued the pursuit southbound on I-75/85 and onto I-75 as the driver tried to evade capture through heavy traffic in the metro area. The situation escalated as the suspect maintained dangerous speeds and refused to yield despite multiple units following behind. Near Central Avenue on I-75, Trooper Ennis executed a pit maneuver causing the stolen truck to spin, leave the roadway, and crash into a barrier wall before overturning. The driver was found still inside the vehicle and was taken into custody without further incident. He was identified as Tyrell Williamson, transported to Grady Hospital for medical clearance, and later taken to Fulton County Jail. On October 14, 2023, Trooper Billy Martin clocked two vehicles traveling westbound on Interstate 40 at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. One of the vehicles was identified as a Dodge Charger, which quickly accelerated to speeds over 120 miles per hour. The Charger continued westbound at extreme speeds, weaving through all three lanes of traffic with complete disregard for other motorists.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! No, you're running!
A pit maneuver was ultimately used to stop the vehicle. After coming to a stop, the driver became highly uncooperative, ignoring verbal commands and arguing with the trooper on scene. The driver was eventually forced out of the vehicle after continued non-compliance and was taken into custody following the use of a taser when he resisted arrest. Both individuals were arrested on multiple charges, including felony fleeing DUI, reckless driving, resisting arrest, and obstruction-related offenses. On October 11, 2024, Trooper Landry was traveling westbound on Interstate 40 near the 153-mile marker when he observed a Toyota Tacoma speeding in the number 3 lane. Radar confirmed the vehicle was traveling at 115 miles per hour in a posted 50 miles per hour zone. The trooper attempted to catch up to the vehicle and initiated emergency lights and sirens in an effort to conduct a traffic stop, but the driver refused to slow down or pull over.
Got off on the 150, 1037, he just wrecked out.
Driver, get out! Keep your hands out the fucking window, man! Alright, I got hands. Hey! Hey!
Buddy,
Don't reach for nothing.
I'm showing you my fucking hands, please.
Alright.
Please.
Crawl back to me. Can you move?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Crawl back.
Yes, sir. Goodness gracious. Fucking
I got hands. Watch out.
what the fuck? Hey, how y'all doing?
While navigating a curve on the exit ramp, the driver lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a guardrail on the left side of the roadway, bringing the pursuit to an end. Troopers quickly secured the scene and conducted a felony takedown, taking the driver, identified as Justin Evans, into custody without further incident. He was transported for medical clearance and later booked into the Pulaski County Regional Detention Facility on multiple charges, including felony fleeing, reckless driving, speeding, and open container violations. On July 29, 2025, Trooper Logan observed a white SUV traveling at a high rate of speed southbound on US 19 in Pinellas County, Florida. The vehicle made sudden and unsafe lane changes, cutting across multiple lanes of traffic and continuing onto the expressway in a reckless manner. When the trooper attempted a traffic stop with emergency lights and sirens, the SUV immediately fled, initiating a pursuit.
Southbound 275, but he just went to the door, so I think he just hit the floor. I'll advise you in a second.
SUV continued southbound across multiple roads while driving at extremely high speeds and repeatedly showing reckless behavior. The driver attempted to evade officers by crossing lanes, running red lights, and forcing through traffic, while multiple pit maneuvers were attempted but unsuccessful. The pursuit remained dangerous as the vehicle continued to flee through heavily traveled areas.
You get the channel on so I get to the top.
46, 46.
Alright, Temple, I got him northbound. He was 19. You can go ahead and show me Temple. I'm right behind him. So far, we're 20 over here.
So far, go ahead.
Whiskey, Charlie, November 295. One about 19, so he's 92.
So far, we're about 19.
We're approaching 611.
So far, 611. So far, 10.
Monitoring, what are our charges? Right behind him on number 2. He's in the ditch.
Out of the car! I will shoot you! Get the fuck out of the car! No, it's you! Get down! Get on the fuck ground! My friend, hey, cover! I got you, cover! Shut up! Fuck up! Fucking hands on the back!
The pursuit ended when the SUV lost control at high speed and crashed into a ditch, becoming disabled. The driver, identified as Marcus Riel Hoptree, was taken into custody without incident. He was later confirmed to have a suspended license and an active warrant and was booked on multiple charges including fleeing and DUI.